You are looking into how to replace and upgrade your Sony WH900N earpads. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's start. By the way, the earpads you're about to see in this video fit several Sony models. You can see all of the models that they fit on the screen right now or in the description below. Okay, so let's start. So this is the Sony WH900N. All you're going to need for this video is a simple butter knife or maybe even a credit card, something to just pry out the old earpads. As you can see, the earpads over here are already different. On this side is our Wicked Cushions earpads, and these are the original. You can already see they are much thicker on our side, a little plusher than the originals that come with the headphones, and a small increase in the ear opening. All right, now let me show you how to actually replace them. So I'm just gonna take one cushion out and put it back in. So you see this right here, this little gap between the ear pad and the plastic on the headphones. You're simply going to take a butter knife and gently just pry it in between. Once you do it, you're just gonna switch the butter knife a little bit like this in order to apply leverage and just remove the ear pad. You're gonna do this from several angles until it is very easy to remove the ear pad. All right. So once you open the headphones, be careful not to drop anything in this area right here where the magnets for the drivers are, because that might ruin your headset. So make sure you have nothing small like little screws or water or something around you that can drop into the speaker. On the back side of the ear pad, you see there are about 6 slots that you have all across the back of the ear pad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just make sure also the bottom of the ear pad is marked with a seam, always. Not sure if you can see it right here. I'll make it close to you. All right, on the actual headphone cup, we'll try to make it obvious. You have 6 hooks that correspond with the 6 slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By the way, there is no left and right for these earpads. They're interchangeable, but there is a top and a bottom. Then the bottom is marked by the seam again. So all you're going to do is you're going to hold the earpad and start aligning the slots into the hooks until you hear a click. After you did that, you're just going to press it from here. You'll start hearing clicks all around. Sometimes you'll only hear one click as soon as all of them go in. And that is it. The earpads are installed. As simple as that. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you want to try our earpads, don't forget to check us out at wickedcushions.com. Our full links are in the description below. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.